Hey guys, it's Flip, and today I'm going to show you how to swap out a shower head. So this is a pretty quick and painless job. You're basically just screwing off the old shower head and screwing the new one on, but there are a few tools that you need. You'll definitely need a crescent wrench and an old toothbrush and some thread tape, and you might need a pair of pliers. So I got a couple pair of pliers here just in case, with an old rag. That will let you hold on to the shower arm while you unthread the shower head without damaging it. Now these can all be a little bit different, but what you can see is there's a little flat part right here, and this is to help you screw this on or off. So what I'm going to do is use my crescent wrench and get it right onto that flat part right there, and that's going to help me unthread this. Now what you don't want to do is rotate this shower arm at all. If you rotate this, it's going to become unthreaded, and then you're going to have a leak in the wall, and nobody wants to deal with that. So what we need to do is hold this arm in place while we unthread the shower head. Now I'm going to try to do it by hand first. If that doesn't work, what you can do is wrap a rag around this and then grab it with some pliers to hold that arm in place. That way you don't damage it. Or you can wrap some electrical tape around that and grab it with some pliers to hold that in place. But I'm going to just try to do it by hand first. So thankfully that broke free pretty easily, so I'm not going to need the pliers, so I just need to go ahead and twist this the rest of the way off. So then what I'm going to do is just take this old toothbrush and kind of scratch away at this old Teflon tape. And I'm just trying to loosen up the edges here to give me something to grab onto so I can unravel this off the threads. Then I can put on some fresh tape before I put the new shower head on. I also realized that the gasket from the old shower head was stuck to the end of the arm here, and the screen was stuck up in there. So here are the old gasket and screen once I remove them. This is the new shower head I'm going to install. I have no idea how you pronounce that, but I got it off Amazon and it was pretty cheap and it had really good reviews. So I'll put a link under the video if you want to check it out. So while I'm unboxing this, I'll tell you that this part of the audio is being recorded after I've installed it. And I can just tell you that I can see why this shower head had such good ratings. It's a great shower head for the price. It came with its own new gasket and screen in there. Again, the old ones were stuck up in the arm. It also came with an extra gasket, and it even came with a little mini roll of thread tape, which I got a kick out of. So I'm just using the little roll of thread tape it came with, and you want to wrap this around the threads anywhere from 3 to 5 times, and just make sure you go around it clockwise. That way when you go to screw on your shower head, you're not going to peel that thread tape off. Then put the shower head on and hand tighten it as much as possible. Then you can leave it like that, or you can tighten it down a little bit more with a wrench. If you want to be extra careful, you can use a rag around the shower head while you're tightening it, just to make sure you don't damage anything, and make sure you don't over tighten it or you will damage it. And that's it. You've got a new shower head in place. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, please hit the thumbs up button for me and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.